everyone present here. My name is Sri Pratyasha Viveshni Badhan, the student of class 8, section 8. And I am here to talk about a unique challenge that we all face in our everyday life. Every day a huge amount of flower waste generated from our weddings, temples and festivals. But most of them end up as waste and that polluted our environment and water bodies. But instead of seeing this flower as waste, what if we saw them as a new beginning? So, our project on flower waste management has introduced a circular economic model that turns this waste into wealth, that support our nature and that promotes sustainability. Now, let's move towards the second part. I will explain the 4 stages of flower waste management. The first crucial step is source segregation. First, we should collect the flowers and then ensure that the flower is clean and free of any plastic or other contaminated things. Then the second process is biological conversion. Then we can convert the clean flowers into valuable resources like organic compost and biogas, which are renewable energy. Then the third step is product upcycling. We can upcycle the rest by extracting them into essential oils, then natural dyes and incense sticks, and we can make some homemade goods also. Then the fourth step is final disposal. Our ultimate goal is zero waste. So after these 3 stages, only a non-recyclable part will remain, which make our process highly efficient. Now some questions will arise in your mind that what will be the benefits and impacts of this project. So it will reduce the water pollution and lowers the greenhouse gas emission by keeping current waste out of landfills. And it also creates a sustainable green industry and provide employment opportunities and particularly empowers the women. Thank you.
The topic is flower waste management. Have you used this topic in your homes?
Yes, sir.
Give some example how you
As
are
a natural dyes and as a natural dyes only and essential
the
oils.
natural dyes you are using in your homes that are made from the flower waste.
No, colors, natural colors.
What color in your home?
Painting. I use it as a painting.
Okay, tell me an example of a flower.
Rose flower.
What is the scientific name?
Sorry.
What is the scientific name? I knew that you will tell rose only. What is the scientific name
Sunflower.
of rose?
Sunflower.
What is the scientific name of rose?
Sorry. No idea.
So from Sonpur, which temple is visited more, and from which temple more flowers are collected?
Sonpur. Rameswaram temple.
Rameshwaram, there is no Rameshwaram temple in Sonpur. That is Rameshwar temple.
Rameswar temple.
Rameshwaram is in south. Yes. So in Rameshwar temple, which god is there? Don't know. Which god is worshipped there?
You don't know?
Don't know.
Rameswar temple.
In Rameshwar temple.
कितने बार आप विजिट किए होंगे वहाँ पे?
But how you can say about the Rameshwar temple?
Because I knew about that, I didn't visit that place.
It is the most famous temple in Suvarnapur district.
I don't know.
According to that temple, the name of Suvarnapur has been given.
So, Suvarnapur temple.
Yes. Which god is worshipped there?
भगवान की पूजा होती है कितने?
शिवजी.
शिवजी भगवान
शिवजी को वहाँ पूछते हैं.
मैं गई किधर टेम्पल्स में?
जाना चाहिए ना? Then you should make this flower waste management.
What is eutrophication?
Eutrophication means when too much nutrient is in water bodies, going into the water bodies and causing algae and the growth of many plants.
then how your flower waste management improper you are giving example improper disposal of flower waste, CS4 production.
CS4 production means the methane gas. When the flower got rose without air, then CS4 production is happened.
But how your flower waste management will be better?
Means if the flower will rot in, means if we don't use that and we didn't convert that in something useful products, then it will rot in without air. So then CS4 production will produce.
Okay. The process of decomposition of biodegradable solid waste by the earthworm is called, because this is also a biodegradable.
Yes.
Without earthworm, biodegradable component is known as
Vermicompost.
ये मीथेन का तो हो गया ओपन डैम है ना.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.